Right, time for a coffee and a pie before we start walking. Okay, right then, Montgomery Park Scenic Reserve, Alcantara Pataka. What happened? You stub your toe? Alright, okay. Yeah, you don't want to be doing that. That's a mighty big tree. I do believe it's got a name, hasn't it? Is it Kevin? I'm sure it's got a name. Oh yeah. That's us just exiting the trees now. There's a fair bit of a climb. I think things level out a little bit here. A lot of climbing to do still, but not as steep as that first section through that little pass there. As we get up the top, we can start to see some of the amazing walk is well known for. with a fucking bird in its mouth. Alright, here we are on the final leg now. We've been up to Mount Sinclair and Mount Fitzgerald, had lunch, we're on the way back, visited Mount Sinclair again, and down there in front of us is Akaroa Harbour, and I think we just got to wander down through these trees, sidle around by underneath the side of that hill in front of us there, and then somewhere over in those trees behind the conical peak is it's been a great walk. We've got probably about another hour left to do, maybe, and then that's us done. So let's crack on. You can tell how windy it gets up here when you look at the way that this tree has grown. All of the foliage is on the lee side of the prevailing wind, and you can see one side, obviously that's the side that predominantly takes the wind, totally bare, and all of the foliage is on the other side. There's quite a lot of trees like this around here, and some of them are actually bent over as well, just from the constant force of the winds. Yeah, pretty cool. Look at this for a fence post. It's an actual tree. Very cool. That is the best fence post I've ever seen, without a doubt. A bit slippy.